n is nothing but 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 and so on up to 100. Find the highest power of 2 in n. Another question. Find the highest power of 2 in n. N is 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 and so on up to 100. Find the highest power of 2 in n. 2 is 2 ones are 2, 4 is 2 twos are 4, 6 is 2 threes are 6, 100 is 2 50s are 100. So these nothing but 2 is multiplied once, twice, thrice, 50 times. So it is 2 power 50 into remaining is 1 into 2 into 3 till 50. These nothing but 2 power 50 into 50 factorial. 50, what is the highest power of 2? 2 25s are 50, 2 12s are 25, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 1. So these nothing but 37, 40, 41. These 2 power 50 into 2 power 41 into k. So answer for this question is 91. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 50s are 100. So 2 power 50 into 50 factorial. 50 factorial, highest power of 2 is 2 25s are 2 12s are 2. Sorry, here 6 is missing, 47. Answer is 97. I forgot 6. 2 12s are 2 6 are 2 3s are 2 1s are. So answer for this question is 97. Answer for this question is 97. Parmesh, for you, write previous question. I hope it is clear. It is 2 6 are missing. 37, 43, 46 plus 1, 47. Previous question, Parmesh. In case you are an enrolled student, you can watch it again. I took 10 factorial common. Then I took 12 common. These are the two steps. 10 factorial common and 12 common. These two things which we did it. Just take a paper and do it slowly. You will understand it. It is not little that difficult. Yes, Harita, I made a mistake. 6 is missing. 6 is missing. Next one. N equivalent to 3 into 6 into 9 into 12 and so on up to 120. And so on up to 120. Find the highest power of 3 in n. Find the highest power of 3 in n. So answer for this question will be 3 can be written as 3 ones are, 6 is 3 twos are, 9 is 3 threes are, 120 is 3 40s are. So these are nothing but 3 power 40 into 40 factorial. What is the highest power of 3 in 40 factorial? 3 13s are, 3 4s are, 3 1s are. So 40 factorial is nothing but 3 power 18 into k. So n will become 3 power 40 into 3 power 18 into k. So answer is 3 power 58 into k. Answer for this question is 58. Another model. I hope it is clear. Highest power of a prime number. Till now we are still in a prime number. After few more questions, then I will do highest power if a composite number is given. Next, another one. 3 into 6 into 9 till 120. Another model. N equivalent to 41 into 42 into 43 and so on up to 50. 41 into 42 into 50, 43 and so on up to 50. Highest power of 7 in n. Highest power of 7 in n. Highest power of 7 in n. The question is not in factorial. So let us convert it into factorial. 41 into 42 into 43 and so on up to 50. So multiply and divide by 40. 1 into 2 into 3 till 40. Remaining is 41, 42 and so on up to 50 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 till 40. So these are nothing but 50 factorial divided by 40 factorial. Convert the question in terms of factorial. Convert the question in terms of factorial. So first we will do highest power of 7 in 50 factorial is 7 sevens are 50, 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 7 power 8 into k1, remaining all prime powers. If I divide by 7, 7 sevens are 49, 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 7 power 8 into, sorry, it is, next is 40, I am doing it for 50. So if I do it for 40, 7 5s are 35, 7 5s are 35. So it is 7 power 5 into k2. So these are nothing but 7 power 3 into k3. What is the highest power of 7 in this number? Answer is 3. Answer is 3. I hope it is clear. If the number is not in factorial format, if the number is not in factorial format, how to do it in factorial format? How to do it in factorial format? One by one, step by step, starting from basics till advanced level, we are going to discuss. These are nothing but 7 5s are and it is 7 1s are. Fives are, 7 ones are. Right? Answer is 3. One more question. Please write down. Please write down. One more model. One more model. All various models in our class, sir. That is the beauty about our class. N is nothing but 91 into 92 into 93 and so on up to 100. Highest power of 2 in n. Highest power of 2 in n. Another question. Find the highest power of 2 in n. 2 in n. Balram says 49 is also there. Which question, Balram? Which question Balram is asking 49 is there? Balram, can you please mention the question? Highest power of 2 in n. Balram, can you please explain question? Amit beta, for you also. Mention what exactly is your doubt so that I can look into it. Highest power of 2 in n. Highest power of 2 in n. Multiply and divide. Multiply and divide 1 into 2 till 90 into 91 into 92 and so on up to 100. I will look into your doubt, Balram, after I solve this problem. 1 into 2 till 90. These are nothing but 100 factorial by 90 factorial. 100 highest power of 2. 250s are 100, 225s are, 212s are, 26s are, 23s are, 21s are. Entire thing 75, 87, 93. 2 power 97 into k1 divided by 90 will become 245s are, 315s are, 5 3s are. 2 power 1 into 3 square into 5. 3 square into 5. 3 square into 5 into k2. 97 minus 1, 96. 97 minus 1, 96. I hope it is clear. How you got 11 for this question, Sri Shailam? 1 into 2 into 3. Sorry, sir. 90. 1 minute. I did a mistake. These nothing but 45s are, what am I doing? I am doing 90 factorization I am doing. 90 factorization I am doing. This is what will happen if you take every day 6 to 8 hours classes. 90 highest power of 2 in 90. 90 is nothing but 2 45s are, 2 22s are, 2 11s are, 2 5s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. These are nothing but 67, 78, 83, 85, 86. 3 xylem is right. 2 power 86 into K2. 97 minus 86, which is 11. 96 minus 86, it is 11. Yes, Sri Shailam and Cherry both are right. I am taking the factors of 90 because we have done factors and multiples. I am still in that chapter. Right? A 97 minus 86 is 1. Right? Sri Shailam and Cherry are right and I made a mistake. I hope it is clear. Next one. Please write down. Next one. I hope this idea is clear. Next few questions. Till now only basics we did it. Now please write down a note. Advanced level we will go for it. Till here any doubts? Till here I think close to 10-15 problems we did it. Any doubts in any of these questions? Any doubt in any of these questions? Kindly reply in the live chat. Then I will go to the previous problem. Any doubts? Till now any doubts are there? Paramesh, kindly do it on your own beta. In case if you are unable to find it, WhatsApp this number 8296 989020. 8296 989020. 8296 989020. Everybody please kindly reply in the live chat if type 1 of factorials is clear to you. Type 1 of factorials. I hope everybody it is clear. Then I will get into the next level. Everybody who is watching the class live, kindly reply it in the live chat. Kindly reply it in the live chat if everything is clear to you. We are going into level 2. Level 1, I hope it is clear. Level 2. Right? Now see here. First write down an important key point. Every composite number can be written it as power of prime bases. Every composite number can be written it as power of prime bases. Every composite number can be written it as power of prime bases. Question. Find the highest powers for. Find the highest powers for. First question. 4 in 10 factorial. Find the highest powers for 4 in 10 factorial. 10 factorial is nothing but 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8. So 10 factorial is nothing but 2 power 8 into k. But I want 4. 4 is nothing but 2 square power 4 into k. So this is 4 power 4 into k. So highest power for 4 in 10 factorial is 4. Right? Please do not divide 10 factorial. This is a mistake. 10 divided by 4. Every composite number can be written as power of prime bases. Every composite number can be written as power of prime bases. Every composite number can be written as power of prime bases. First we did highest power of a prime number. Then we are doing highest power of a composite number. That is the class flow. Second, 4 is nothing but 2 square power 4. Directly you cannot divide. B. Question number B. 1850 factorial. 1850 factorial. 1850 factorial. 50 factorial. 8 is nothing but 2 cube. First convert the given composite number into prime bases. These are nothing but 2 25s are. Next it is 2 12s are. Next it is 2 6s are. Next it is 2 3s are. Next it is 1s are. So 50 factorial is 37 43 47. 2 power 47 into k. But I require power of 8. So it is 2 power 3 power 15 into 2 square into k. Power of 8 is nothing but power of 8 in 50 factorial is nothing but 15. Power of 8 in 50 factorial is nothing but 18. I hope the idea is clear. 8 is nothing but 2 cube. 8 is nothing but 2 cube. So first do it for 2. Then I require for 8. 2 cube power 15 into 2 square. 8 power 15. So answer for this question is 15. Answer for this question is 15. C. Please write down. C. A good question, problem number C. Highest power of 4 factorial in 100 factorial. Highest power of 4 factorial in 100 factorial. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is nothing but 2 cube into 3. 8 into 3 is 24. So 100, first do it for 2. These 250s are. Next it is 225s are. Next it is 2 12s are. 2 6s are. 2 3s are. Next for 3 33s are. 3 11s are. 3 3s are. 3 1s are. So 100 factorial is nothing but power of 5 is 50 plus 25 75 87 93 96, which is 2 power 96. This is 44 47 48 3 power 48 into k. But I require 2 cube into 3. So it is 2 cube into 3 power 6. 48 can I take? No. 32 only I can take. Am I right? 3 power 32. Remaining is 3 power 16 into k. 3 goes how many times in 96? 32 times. Suppose if I take 33, 3's are 99 it will become. 99 it will become. So answer for this question is 32. Answer for this question is 32. 100 factorial. 4 factorial is 2 cube into 3. 4 factorial is 2 cube into c. So these, I think I forgot to take 1. Good that Sri Shailam pointed out. 2 power 97. So answer is 3 into 30 into 2 power 1. I hope Sri Shailam, thank you for pointing out the calculation mistake. It is 2 power 97 into 3 power 48. Anyway, this is not changing it. 2 cube into 3 power 32. Remaining 2 power 1. Answer for this question is 32. Question number D. Question number D. Please keep writing the question, sir. The more and more example that you solve, the more and more understanding you will get it. Question number D. 72 in. Please take care of calculation things, sir. Concept wise it is unbeatable. At times I might do calculation mistake. Please understand it and correct yourself. 72 is 2 cube into 3 square. 72 is 2 cube into 3 square. 150. Highest power of 2 is 2 75s are. 2 37s are. 2 18s are. 2 9s are. And 3 3s are. For 3 is 3 50s are. 3 16s are. 3 5s are. 3 1s are. So 150 factorial is nothing but what is the highest power of 2 in 150 factorial? 3 plus 9 12, 12 plus 18 30, 30 plus 37 67, 67 is 2 power 142, 2 power 142, 3 plus 9, okay, 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. So 143. Anyway, Sri Shailam is there for me to correct if I do any calculation mistakes. These 2 power 143. Am I right? 75 plus 37. 112, 130, 139, 142, 143. So this will become 2 power 143 into 66, 71, 72. 2q 3 power 72 into k. I hope it is clear. Sir, again I did a calculation mistake. I don't know what is happening today with me. The calculation mistake is 1 minute, sir. I am doing a lot of calculation mistakes today. This is 2 9s are, these 2 4s are, these 2 2s are, and it is 2 1s are. Now I think I am right. Sri Sailam, 3 2 plus 1 3, 3 7. So it is 2 power 146 into 6672 into k1. These are nothing but 2 cube into 3 square power 36 into 2 power 38 into k. Right? So answer for this question is 36. Answer for this question is 36. If any calculation mistakes are there, which I do right at times unknowingly, if any calculation mistakes are there, please correct yourself. Correct yourself. Point out at me if you got a doubt in the concept. Calculation mistake, you take care. Calculation mistake, you take care. I hope I corrected it. Is it clear? Next one. E. Calculation mistake, if it is there, please correct yourself. Next one. Idea clear, right? Next question. Next one. N equivalent to 50 factorial minus 49 factorial. N equivalent to 99 factorial minus 98 factorial. 99 factorial minus 98 factorial. First question is highest power of 49 in n. Highest power of 49 in n. Second question is highest power of 98 in n. Try to solve these two questions. 1 minute time. Try to solve. Yes, Maheshwar, I made a mistake in the previous question. Priya, yes, you are right. Sania, you are also right. Balaji, you are right. And Prashant, you are also right. I made a calculation mistake in the previous question. If I do any calculation mistake, understand the concept and correct yourself. Right? Highest power of 49 in n. Please try to solve this question. Praveen, try to solve this question, then we will get into a next level of concept. Try to solve 50 factorial. 50 factorial is 50 into 49 factorial. 50 into 49 factorial minus 49 factorial. So these are nothing but 49 factorial into 50 minus 1 is 49. So 49 factorial, 50 minus 1 is 49. Highest power of 49. So anyway, here there is one power of 49. Highest power of 49 in 49 factorial, which we need to do. Highest power of 49 in 49 factorial, we have to do. 49 is nothing but 7 7s are, 7 1s are. So these are nothing but 7 plus 1, 8. So 49 factorial, it is nothing but 7 power 8 into k1. So here it is 7 square power 4 into k1. 7 square is 49. 49 power 4, which is nothing but 4. Here I got 4. Here there is 1. So answer for this question is 5. Answer for this question is 5. Right? Answer for this question is 5. Everybody is saying 2. Let me see the calculation. 50 into 49 factorial minus 49 factorial. So 49 factorial into 49. Highest power of 49 in 49 factorial. 49 is 7 7s are 7 1s are. 49 factorial is 7 power 8 into k1. 7 square power 4 into k1. Power is 4. 4 and 1, answer is 5. Did you guys learnt how to do calculation mistake also from me? Right? Please don't do that. Don't learn what should not be learned from me, that is doing calculation mistake. Right? Highest power of 98 in n. N is nothing but 99 factorial is 99 into 98 factorial minus 98 factorial. These 98 factorial, 99 minus 1 is 98. So here already 1 is there. Highest power of 98 in 98 factorial. 98 is 7 square into 2. So these are nothing but 98 is 7 14s are 7 2s are. 98 factorial is 7 power 16 into 2. You don't need to do it. Even if you do it, 249, 224, 212, 2 6 are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are. So 4 plus 6, 10, 20, 246, 95. 95 into k. So these 7 square into 2 power 8 into 87 into k. Here I got 8. Here I got 8. Here I got 1. Answer is 8 plus 1, 9. Answer is 8 plus 1, 9. I hope it is clear. 8 plus 1, it is 9. Now we will go into the next level of difficulty problems. Highest power of prime number we did it. Highest power of composite number also we did it. Highest power of prime we did. Highest power of composite we did it. Now we will do few questions. Highest power of 12 in 11 power 972 minus 1. Highest power of 11 in 12 in 11 power 972 minus 1. This is a little advanced level question. Please listen carefully. Highest power of 12 in 11 power 972 power n. Listen carefully. First method 1. Method 1 is the traditional method. Method 2 is Anil Nayar's method. Method 1, which is a traditional method. What is the traditional method? 11 power 972 minus 1. This is nothing but 12 minus 1 power 972 minus 1. This is nothing but x plus y power n. Here it is nc0 x power n, nc1 x power n minus 1, and so on up to ncn y power n minus 1. This is nothing but the binomial expansion of x plus y power n. This is nothing but the binomial expansion of x plus y power n. If I open this bracket, this is 972C0, 12 power 972, minus 972C1, 12 power 971, and so on up to, plus 1 minus 1. Total 973, right? Plus 1 minus 1. Before it will become 972, C 971. 1 power 971. I hope it is clear. Till here it is clear, right? Now if you see here, 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled. Total, see here, 970, n means from 0 to n, I got n plus 1 terms. I got n plus 1 terms. Here 12 power 972 to 12 power 0. I got 973 terms. Plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. This is nothing but NCN minus R. NCR is nothing but NCN minus R. So this is nothing but 972. 972. 972 is nothing but 12 into 81. That means this contains 12. Now if you see, this is 12 power 970, this is 12 power, I hope it is clear, right? 12 power 972, this is 12 power 970, 12 power 970. Or in the next slide, I will write it neatly so that you will understand it. Just hold on like this. Hold on. I will write it like this. X plus y power n. It is nothing but NC0 x power n. NC1 x power n minus 1. Y power 1. NC2 x power n minus 2. Y power 2. And so on up to NCN x power 0 y power n. This is clear, right? This is binomial expansion. This is 12 minus 1 power 972. 12 minus 1 power 972. This is 972C0. 12 power 972 plus 972C1. 12 power 972 minus 1, 12 power 971. This is minus 1. I hope it is clear. Next is 972C2. 12 power 970 minus 1 whole square. And so on up to 972 C 971. 12 power 972 minus 971 is 1. Minus 1 power 971 plus 972 C 972. 12 power 0 minus 1 power 972 minus 1. I hope this expansion is clear. X plus y power n expansion is this one. NC0 x power n y power n and so on. I hope it is clear, right? Now see here. Last one. NC2 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancels out. You look at this term. You look at this term. If you look at this term, NCR is nothing but NCN minus R. So 972 till 971 is 972C1, which is 972. Here it is 972. Here it is 12. 972 is 12 into 81. So 12 into 12, 12 square. Can I say, if this is 12 power 1, this will become 12 square. 12 square is divisible by 12 square. 12 power 3 is divisible by 12 square. 12 power 970 is divisible by 12 square. This is divisible by 12 square. This is divisible by 12 square. Are you all with me? So entire, what is the highest power of 12 in this one? Answer is 2. Answer is 2. I hope it is clear. Please see this question. This question is based on a binomial expansion. This question is based on binomial expansion. This question is based on binomial expansion. Any doubts, please ask me. This question is based on a binomial expansion. Only thing which is little confusing is the last step. Here minus 1 plus 1, it is cancelled out. Remaining is 972C 971, which is 972, which is 12 into 81. 12 into 81. Here 12 into 81 and 12. Highest power of 12 is 2. You don't need to do all this. This is a very time consuming approach. Method 2. Please write down, sir. Method 2. Method 2. Slowly after the class start analyzing this one. Once you write the expansion, go from right to left. It will be extremely clear to you. Next one. Extremely clear to you. Method 2. How to write down the answer for this question fast. Anil Nayar's way. Direct answer is highest power of 12 in. Highest power of 12 in 11 power 972 minus 1. Nothing you do, sir. 11 is nothing but 12 minus 1 power 972 minus 1. Answer is multiply these two. 12 into 972. 972 is 12 into 81 minus 1. 12 square. Answer for this question is 2. Answer for this question is 2. Why we got 12 into 972? Because this is the lowest power of lowest term in this expansion after cancelling 1. After cancelling 1. Lowest term after cancelling 1. What do you mean by lowest term? Total 9 power is 972. 973 terms are there. 973rd term. 973rd term. It will be plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 972nd term. 972nd term will be 12 into 972. Analyze this after the class. Total 972 power is there. Power 972 means I should get 973 terms. In 973 terms, 973rd term will be plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancelled out. Remaining is 972nd. 972nd, if I use binomial expansion, I will get 12 into 972. 12 into 972, which is nothing but 12 into 81. 12 into 12. Highest power is nothing but 2. Highest power is nothing but 2. I hope the idea is clear. One more question I will solve. One more question. Please write down. One more question I will solve. Highest power of 5. Highest power of 5. Sorry, not 5. It is 24. Highest power of 24. Highest power of 24 in 5 power 36 minus 1. Highest power of 24 in 5 power 36 minus 1. This is nothing but 5 power 36 minus 1. This 5 square power 18 minus 1. 5 square is 24 plus 1 power 18 minus 1. Right? So answer is nothing but 18 into 24. 24 is 12 into 2, which is 12 into 36. 36 is 12 into 3. So highest power of 12 is 2. Answer for this question is highest power of, we want 24 or 12? Okay, 24, right? 1 minute, sir. 24, or change the question to 12. That is, change the question to 12. Why to change the entire answer? So answer is anyway 24 also you can solve it. Answer will be 1. So answer for this question is 2. Answer for this question is 2. Highest power of 24 will be 1. 12 will be 2. This expansion, I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Write down any doubts, whatever you got, kindly put it in the live chat. From where you got 18 into 24, you got 18 into 24 like this. This will give you 19 terms. Power 18 means 19 terms. This is 18th term will be plus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 17th term will be, this will become 18 into 24. That is the lowest term. Every other term contains this value. Every other term contains